Okay, so previously I made this version of the game called Run 1, which is basically a game where you can run and jump around, but if you hit a wall, the gravity changes so that that's the floor. There's also this version of the game called Run 2, which is more blocky, like this. And yeah, that's cool. So this is just a version of I wanted to learn Unity for a long time, so I tried to make a version of Run 2 as a means to try to learn it. Didn't go so well. The mechanic where if you hit a wall, the gravity changes, that's the floor, didn't quite work. And it didn't work for a long time. I had a very good amount of debugging. It took me more to debug that one problem than to debug the entire rest of the game. It's still not completely fixed. There are still some edge cases, but yeah, mostly it works. The most stupid thing, though, all of that debugging was caused by one tiny error in the code. This word here, it was stay, and it was supposed to be enter. All of that mess just because of that. So, yeah, that was a bit of a problem. Oh, wait, whoops. Oh yeah, there's also this little pickup, which you can collect. And then, yeah, you collect, and the idea is that you'd have some sort of reward if you get it. I've also made another level. Doesn't really work quite as well as this one. There's some minor changes I need to do with that one, but yeah. And then I'm also gonna make more levels. Wait, yeah, so that's one of the edge cases. So yeah, there's some edge cases, which I still need to fix, so it's not completely done yet. Still need some working on, but yeah. Supposed to rotate about. Yeah. I think it does. I'll also do the bonus just quickly. So I'll just add public game object bonus. And it's compiling. And now we're going to need to change this to the bonus. There you go. We need to go into VS Code. And I'll also do bonus dot transform dot position equals 2 times transform. Oh, it also reverses it. Oh, I didn't think of that. Oh. Oh, I have an idea. What if I do dot x? Like this. And then I'll also do y. Like this. Bonus transform position x. Transform position dot x minus bonus dot transform for, why can't I type dot position dot x, and same thing for y. Okay. Y. Line 67. For this, we're going to still need transformed opposition. But it just worked! And now all of a sudden it doesn't. If I just like debug.log cube.transform.position. Okay, so it doesn't throw an error there. But it does throw an error here, so .x save. It's supposed to be a vector 3 though. You know what, let's comment this out. Just do transform.position for now. Position. Now it works. But it doesn't, but it flips it the wrong way. But why is .x not working? Let's debug.log cube.transform .position.x. Okay, so it is a value. And let's console log 2 times transform.position.x minus that. It's supposed to also be a value, right? Yeah, that is also a value. So why can't I set one to the other? Let's just set this to like 42 or something. Just to check. That is so strange. But it is a variable. So why can't I modify it? I can log it, so why can't I, like, change it? Okay, so I have found the error. Well, I haven't found the error, but I have fixed it. Miraculously somehow. So instead of setting the x and the y individually, I just set the entire vector. to a new vector. And that fixed it. But I don't actually know why it didn't work. Let's Command D this to bonus because we are not moving the bonus yet. Yeah. Okay. So let's see if it's actually. What? That's a bug. Do again. Yeah, now the bonus is also flipped. Okay, so it's flipped. So I can flip it, but now I need to be able to also rotate it. So I think I'm just gonna copy paste this if statement. Else if side is left. And I don't need this. Transform.rotate. Euler's. X angle, Y angle, Z angle. Well, looks like I can just set the X angle and the Y angle to 0 and set the Z angle to like 90 degrees. Is it in degrees or in radians, though? Looks like it's in degrees, which is kind of strange for a professional, like, game engine like this. But okay. I'll keep this. Okay, and I'll work on designing a level in which changing gravity seems a bit more natural. So, yeah.